How are you?
I'm doing
Good.
great, Pooja. Thanks for asking. How are you?
I'm fresh as flower. Look, I know that
Yes,
you are giving me that positive vibes.
yes, definitely. I always there to praise you, and you are like that
Yes,
only, as a flower, always.
yes, and you are also my friend. So, Shaman ma'am, like we are connecting first time. So, would you mind to introduce yourself?
Yes, I would like to introduce myself, Pooja. As you know, my name is Shamal. I'm connecting you from Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. I'm a phonic teacher, proud homemaker, enthusiastic Kathak learner, and nowadays I have immersed myself in English language. I'm trying to put my heart and soul to learn this language. I also have immense love like you for this language. And as far as my education concern, I am commerce graduate. I have done post graduation diploma in international business. After that, I worked for an MNC for a few years, but due to my family responsibility, I had to pause it. And as far as my hobbies concerned, I like to listen music. I like to dance. I like to read. And nowadays, this be my bonnet that I am learning English. So this is pretty much about me. And
Oh
now I'm
my
all
God.
ears to eager to know about you.
Yeah, first of all, I want to praise you that you have wear so many caps and you are doing great. As you said, you have even I don't remember that much qualification you have. So this salute to you and thank you for giving your introduction. And I'm also delighted to introduce myself. So my name is Pooja Bhatt. I hail from Uttarakhand, but currently I live in Bangalore with my family. In terms of my qualification, I have done masters, B.Ed, and CTET qualified. I'm also preparing for teaching exam. Apart from it, nowadays I have a bee in my bonnet like you to learn this language. And so that's why I have created my own YouTube channel. I love to connect with people as like you so that I can, break that monotonous chain of my daily routine and I can thrive and learn so much from you. So that's a bit about
Yeah.
me, ma'am.
It is really overwhelming. How many qualities you have, how many things you are doing right now. It is really overwhelming. But first of all, I would like to thank you, Pooja, that you have given me opportunity to share screen with you. It is pleasure
Yes,
for me.
yes. And even before this session, I was feeling lethargic and I was feeling means mentally drained. But when I saw at the moment I saw your gloomy and blooming face, automatically I recharged my battery.
Thank God. I'm feeling happy and over the moon. You're praising me.
Yes, yes.
Mm.
So I know you very well, ma'am, that you are humanity. And one day, I think on group session, you were sharing your one incident, like you went somewhere and road accident like this. So related those incident, I thought like I should make some question for you so that I would know you from inside also. So, ma'am, my first question to you is: Can money buy humanity? Why or why not?
First of all, humanity means kindness, compassion, empathy, sympathy, and helping others, respecting
Yes,
others. And these things we cannot buy from the money. Definitely not.
yes,
Because money can give you any materialistic thing. It will give you name, fame, it will give you whatever you need, luxury, comfort, anything it can give you. But these things are rooted in your nature, in your heart, and that we can't buy with the money. See, like if I give you any example, if any rich person, he has a lot of money but he is not a helping nature person, so means
yes,
he hasn't have humanity. He don't like
yes.
to help people. But there are very poor people who like to help others even though they have little in their hand. So this is humanity. So in my perspective, we cannot buy humanity with money.
Yes, ma'am. I totally agree with you that humanity comes from empathy, kindness, and value. not from wealth, and no matter how much you are earning. But if you don't have that humanity, that kindness from others people, because a rich people, you are well settled, well maintained status, but you are not giving something to needy people. You are not fulfilling their desire. Means not desire, it means like it could be anything. Not by your money you can fulfill. So I think it's not humanity. And only thing we are different from animals like emotion. And if you don't have such kind of emotion for those people, I think you are not human being, as per my
Yes.
opinion.
Yes.
Yeah. And like we can, for money, we can buy security, comfort, luxurious life, and we can maintain our status. But humanity comes from within heart. And you
Yeah.
feel that emotion, you feel that their means place if you keep yourself, and you can think that, oh my God, how they are surviving. So I think that is means a humanity.
Yes, yes. That kindness comes from your heart only. You
Yes.
can't buy it. You can't have it with your power, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And when in this fast-paced era, I think we are not making such kind of connection with others. We always busy in our life and trying to make our status, earning lots of things. We are just running behind the rat race that
Behind it.
I have to want more and more. We don't think about other people. Even we have a negative attitude towards those people. So, ma'am, I want to ask, as you are also parent and I'm also parent, so how can we teach our children to be kind?
My in my perspective, my clean opinion is that humanities can't be taught; it can be learned. As
Yes,
we are parents, you and me, and from parents, teacher, this children learn, because parents are the role models, are heroes for them, right? So whatever
yes,
we do, kids imitate that things, they copy those things. What
yes,
we do, they see, they watch us, they see us. And when sometimes we also think that na, we shouldn't do this thing, what my children will
yes,
think about me. So like this
yes,
way, whatever we do, they imbibe in their nature these things, and
yes,
after some time they also try to imitate these things in their behavior, they reflect us, right?
yes,
So they also like to do these things. When we like it, they will also definitely like to do this thing. If we
yes,
don't do, they are not going to do. So in
yes,
my perspective, humanity is can be learned but can't be taught by from anybody. For that
yes,
matter, we
ma'am.
have to be active for our
Yes,
children. Then only they'll imitate us. And
yes,
one more thing
ma'am.
is here, Pooja. If we do this kind of activity, like we do humanity. With humanity, we help others. We be kind with others. So these things our children will do. But if we appreciate them, right, if
Yes,
we recognize their things and we appreciate them, that will boost their what say their attitude towards it. They will definitely think
yes,
that this humanity has a value. It is really
yes, ma'am.
a pure thing, and we have to do this.
Yes,
Because it is
ma'am.
a need of society, right?
Yes,
Because one
ma'am.
child, when he is very young, he or she, that time we don't tell them to share with anybody. When they go to the
Yes,
school, preschool, or the any play school, we don't teach them, but by
yes,
our doing, they learn from us, right?
yes.
So in my perspective, definitely that humanity can't be taught, it can be learned from
Yes,
us.
ma'am. I totally resonate with you that kids are like just like a clean slate. They born with a clean slate, and it's up to us how we are feeling it. And as you said, like they imitate us. I agree with you that they imitate us. They try to inculcate those habits, and without intention, they adapt those habits from us. And we are the role model and first school. How is the first school from where we make them learn? And it is said that like action speak louder than word. And we
Yes.
can't taught, as you said, that we can't be taught them. If you are doing so, definitely they will see and they will do this. So it's a learning by seeing that if they are saying, okay, mama is doing this, and we are, and sorry, thank you. These words are golden words. If you are doing something, so we should be say that, okay, sharing is caring. So if you are
Yeah.
shared, so you will increase. So such kind of life lesson we can teach our kids. In this way we
Yes.
can teach that, means this is good etiquettes. We can provide those epithet, like it's just like a small plant, how you are nourishing, how your nature, your nurture depends on that plant, that how they will bloom and they will bloom. So it's up to us that, and definitely they imitate us, there is no brainer about it. Like they learn from their school, society, and which kind of environment we are
They
providing
are
them.
yes, yes. It is like that, na, Pooja. It one says there, what you sow, that you get, right?
Yes,
That you
yes,
know.
yeah.
So
As you
whatever we
so
imbibe
that
in
you read.
them, then we will definitely get a reflection of that. We get that in ripples, right? Ripple effects.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Ripple
and they
effect.
will
Yes,
after us, they will have this legacy, and they will
yes,
spread it, pass on to the
yes.
next generations. Definitely.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, nowadays, like third school is like first school is our house, and second school is their own school, and third is social media is becoming our their third school. They are learning from social media that how we should be kind towards other people, how we should help others, we should provide them food, whatever they need. Like we should have this courage. But apart from it, like some people are taking disadvantages of this kindness also, just for few views and subscriber, they are making
Right. Yes.
advantages from it. So what do you think about it?
Yes, as you said, Pooja, I'm 100% agree with you. Social media affects it with negative and the positive way, both way. If I
Yes,
say about positive way, see, you also must have come across with some ads that people share some videos about poor people or about the animals like cows. So
yes,
that
yes,
time, then even the stray dogs, cats also. So they ask us for the money or the some kind of help they ask us. So without the second thought, we help them, right?
yes, yes,
Without the second thought, we help them. So this way, humanity, we see the humanity, and we also take a part in it.
yes,
So it is a positive effect, right? But what about
yes,
negative effect? Some people are there; they are just faking. They are
yes,
just for the sake of views, likes, and subscriber. They are creating videos for our likes, for our money as well. Definitely, because
yes,
we
yes,
without the second thought, we pay them, we donate, we directly do the charity
yes.
for it, right?
Because it's
Because
our
what we think,
humanity.
yeah, what we think that doing charity is really a good thing, right?
Yes,
Helping others. So but these people
yes,
take advantage of from this, and they use it for their sake. So it is a
yes,
negative side. Yes, definitely.
yes,
We are
ma'am.
the one, we have to be very wise about it. We have to be aware about all the things, and we
Yes,
shouldn't be blind when we do
yes,
any
yes.
charity or anything like this.
Yes, even we shouldn't follow blind eye to everyone. I have seen lots of people and lots of cases, they are fuzzing news that we are doing this, orphan, NGOs, and some, old days. They are just elaborating like we are providing food, we are providing such kind of amenities to them. But in the reality, the back of the camera is this, the reality is totally different.
So it is
We
completely
are
different. Right.
asking them, they are doing some different things to means we can't expect these things from them,
We can't
so we
even
should be
talk about those
mindful.
things, right? Yes, we can't even talk about those things. People can do anything with that, anything.
Yes,
We can't even
yes.
imagine,
For
right?
surviving nowadays, they are doing anything with, means we can't expect this thing from them. They are doing such, even I can't express those newses, like they, for just for few money, few like advantages, they are killing their own parents. I have seen lots of
Yes,
videos regarding.
yes,
So
we
I don't
have.
want to talk
I
with
think
this thing.
last month that news was there
Yes,
on social media. Yes, even I also watched
yes,
that news. It is really a heartbreaking things.
yeah.
Definitely.
Yes, ma'am. So, what do you think? Success is important or humanity? What is more important than in front of
Um,
in your eyes, like success or
okay.
humanity?
I always go with humanity, because if you
Yes,
have success, with success you get anything, name, fame, and whatever thing you need, you get with that. It definitely come with this thing. It is like a,
yes,
everything is a byproduct of success, I would say. So, but
yes,
if you are not, you are, if you don't have humanity, you don't have kindness, you don't have that nature of helping others, respecting others' values and opinions, then that
yes,
success is like hollow, completely hollow, I would
yes,
say. If you
yes,
have humanity and success both together, you can do wonders, you can help
yes.
people, and because of that you will get that what say dua in that
Yes,
blessings from them,
blessing.
blessings,
Yes,
and
yes.
blessings have ripple effects, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am. I totally agree with you that success without humanity, it's a meaningless. You know,
Yes, it's
that,
meaningless.
yeah, because I think I want to add here karma. If your karma is pure, your intention is pure, so whole universe conspire to get your success. I have seen men that because of their karma, you have that humanity, and what goes around comes around. Whatever
Comes
you
around,
are
right?
showing, that we talk already mentioned that as you sow, so shall you reap. So which kind
Hmm.
of means kindness and attitude you are giving towards other, so it returns back also. So karma secure number, so we should be kind. And as a we god, as a creature we are here, so we get this life, so we should be at the end of our life we have to go from here. So only
Yes.
the thing is people will remember us just by our character, our behavior, not by our wealth.
Yes, even someone passes away, if you go
Yes,
there, if even you must have also experienced this thing, I would say that we don't talk about their houses, how many they have owned, what property they held, what position they
yes,
held. We don't talk about this. We talk about the
yes,
person only, how the person was. Success is
yes,
what you are now, but the humanity is how you are, right? So
yes,
that
yes.
how you are remain constant, what you are
Yes,
not remain constant. We can change anytime, right? We can change
yes,
our position, we can change our lifestyle, everything we can change.
yes,
But how
yes.
we are,
And
that we can't change. That is that from birth you what you were like that time, now you are also like that. But one more thing I will say, would add here, Pooja. These humanities can be inherited because of
yes,
some experiences you got in your life. This
yes,
quality is completely inherent as well.
yes, yes. It's a coherent also that we get
Yes,
from our parents. This is,
yes,
and ma'am,
yes.
like your success, your name, fame, your money will stay with till that. But your behavior, your character, your humanity, after that, it will stay here, and people will remain you just because of those characters.
Yes, yes, very true, very true.
Yes, ma'am. So I have done with my question. If you have any questions, so you are free to ask.
I have one question for you, dear. That what can make person reach? Is that humanity or the success? As we discuss a lot about it, but still
Yes.
I would like to ask you then one more question is there. Do you experienced humanity by someone, or have you give any example from your side?
Yes, ma'am. Even I would like to add here that always I have learned from this humanity, kindness, empathy from my grandmother. She always used to prepare more food and more things. She always be ready to give means help to others, support to others. So I used to ask like, Amma, like, why are you always ready? They are not good, they are not sick. So she always say that do good and cast it into a river. Don't
Yes,
feel, don't think that it will come return, I will get this. So without selfless means you should do your karma, and it will not by that particular person you will get benefit, means you will get return whatever you did, means god will give you another way. And I have
from
lots of
only
my
where you can
grandmother.
relate.
Yes, ma'am. And my grandmother used to narrate stories, different different stories, like to give us etiquettes that you should have this kind of. And now I'm also feeling, ma'am, whenever someone comes in my house and I saw some people is feeling pain and they are, they want something. So I definitely, I'm not saying that I give everything, but whatever I can, I try to give them,
Yes.
and day before yesterday we went market and I was buying bananas. So at the corner I have seen one old lady and she was just staring me, and my husband was saying, let's go, we are getting late. So I went there and I gave bananas to her, and 20 rupees also. So how she was happy, her face was, means I can't express with my face, like, means sometime it happens now your stress is other stressor. So means
Yes.
for
Yes.
you two bananas and means other thing is not that much valuable, for others it is treasure. So we
Yes.
should
Yes.
be kind, like I think we are emotionally, we are, God has created us, that God has given us that emotion, so we should be kind. So
Yes, we
in my
should.
opinion, ma'am.
Yes. Here, even I would like to give you one example. When I was in my college, so that day it was the last day of my admission, and it was the last year of my college. So that time, one of I was running out of some amount. So one of my professor, she helped me for that.
Okay.
And after some time, when I went to return it back, that time she told me, Shamal, whatever I've given you, it was my personal thinking, or it was my personal decision. But now
Yes.
I'm not going to take it back. That time
Yes.
I was small, I was young, so I was like, ma'am, it is not right way. I have to give your money back. My parents will scold me. So that day she
Yes.
told me, see, if you have this money extra in your life, so use it for
Yes.
others.
Others. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So now, and from that day, I have learned the one thing, Pooja, and I'm doing that thing as well. I'm not showing off at all,
Yes.
but I'm doing that thing. Whenever I find somebody who is running out of money or running out of any kind of thing which is related to their education, I'm always
Yes.
the first to help them.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Even I also tried, ma'am, to do this thing. Even my father also used to say that whatever you are earning, so at least 1% or 2% you have to save. You have to keep, for humanity, means for giving others, so that
Charity.
like God, yeah, charity and donate someone who is needy. So yeah, I also follow the footprint of my father. I do this, like I personally try to do this, and whenever I feel that someone is in need, so I try to help, not
Yes,
only on rupees, ma'am. We can't say that you are helping, like if someone is crossing the road, if someone is facing problem of that, like I try to give my best to help means them, so that
yes,
like I don't want that return back and I will get something from their side, because it's our karma. And whatever we are now, I think I'm a true devourer of manifestation karma. I don't know. It gives me that, okay, whatever you are doing, you have to pay for it also. What goes around comes around.
comes around, and you will definitely get it back. Definitely, and
Yes,
not with the same amount. You will
yes,
get it in
yes.
abundance. You'll get it in
Abundance.
abundance.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, ma'am. I
Yes.
think we are running out time. So it was very insightful conversation, not conversation, confabulation with you, because you always
Thank
give me
you.
some more experience and exposure from your side. I learned so many things from you, ma'am. Thank you so much for
And
giving us
I
such a
also
time.
learned and also got many things from you, Pooja. And always I get it. And you are,
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to say that you are really doing great.
Thank
Really,
you
you're
so
doing
much,
great.
ma'am. Thank you so much for
And thanks for
something also.
giving me chance for
Yes,
to share your screen with you.
yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you
Thank
very
you
much.
so much. Okay, so we are running out. So, okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Bye. Same to you, dear. Bye.